In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the AI theme editor in your Shopify store to craft compelling and customized text for your online shop. Mastering this tool can be a game changer, allowing you to automate content creation and maintain a consistent brand voice throughout your site. First, let's jump into accessing the AI theme editor. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your store. So if you're not already familiar, take a moment to explore its features. Within this dashboard, navigate to the online store section and head over to Themes. This is where your current theme resides, along with any others you might have experimented with. Once you find the theme you want to enhance, click on Customize. This will direct you to the theme editor, a space where you can fine-tune the visual and textual details of your store. As you explore, keep an eye out for icons indicating AI-powered text generation options. These symbols, often resembling a magic wand, will be your gateway to leveraging the power of AI in editing. Next, it's time to generate text with AI, bringing a touch of innovation to your content writing. Start by identifying the specific text section you want to populate. Common areas include product descriptions, banner text, or even your mission statement. Once you've pinpointed the section, click on the option to generate text using AI. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter keywords relevant to the content you're crafting. Think carefully about these keywords, as they serve as the cornerstone of the generated content. For instance, if you're introducing a new product, you might use keywords like eco-friendly, sustainable, or highlight a distinctive feature of the product. Furthermore, you'll select a tone for your text. Options here might range from professional to friendly, playful, or concise, depending on the message you wish to convey. Now that your text is generated, it's time to review and refine it. The Shopify Magic AI will craft text quickly, but it's essential to ensure it reflects your brand's voice and message. As you review, read carefully and consider how well it aligns with your desired tone and the information you want to communicate to your audience. You have the freedom to edit and refine this text. Don't hesitate to make small tweaks, add specific details, or even mix and match elements from different suggestions if that suits your needs. Your goal is to create content that's not only accurate, but also engaging and on-brand. Once you're satisfied with the edits and the text fits perfectly with your store's voice, remember to save your changes in the theme editor to ensure all your hard work is retained. By following these steps, you've used Shopify's AI tools to effectively streamline and enhance your store's content, setting the stage for an improved customer experience.